Before we begin this video, please subscribe right now and click the notification bell to get news on Asante Kotoko. Right now, let's talk about the fixtures. It came out few days ago, and what do you think about the fixtures? The first 5 match. Which game do you think will be more difficult or will be easy? Do you think we'll win all the games?
Actually, I haven't taken a look at all the fixtures. I think I know only I know our first match.
We have 11 Wonders, Berekum Chelsea, we have Mediama, and we have Accra Great Olympics and one other team. I think Legon City.
Well, the first 2 matches look similar like last season because I think we played 11 Wonders at first and we struggled to beat them. Recently I just watched Maswa Kunedu's interview, and one of the reporters posed him a question about how we struggle to beat 11 Wonders when it comes to playing them at home.
Where he hit 3 points. 3 points.
Yeah. But you know, Kumasi people or Kotoko people always want to see the champagne kind of football. You know, that sexy football.
Yes. Win
convincingly, exactly. So that's what we want to see. So 1-0, and if we win 1-0, I mean we hit the bar twice, 3 times, 4 times, we make the keeper works, I think it's gonna help us. I mean we are gonna be happy. But if it's 1-0 and we are defending for our lives, I think the pressure is gonna be high on him because I can feel a lot of people have their doubts a little bit about Marcel Kunadu.
Yes, because I think if at all you're winning games 1-0, 1-0, because he said 3 points is 3 points. I want you to outplay your opponent so that anybody that comes to play you will be scared of you.
Exactly. That makes you a big team.
They know what you're capable
of. That makes you a big team. If you look at Madrid, if you look at Barcelona, if you look at Liverpool, they go to somebody's home. They just play you off the park. You know, the best you can.
They beat.
Yeah, exactly. Bayern Munich, exactly. Bayern Munich, I know. They play you off the park.
Rapid.
Yeah, exactly. So,
I hope things change this season because that first 5 fixtures. How many points do you think we can get from the first 5?
I think
fixtures?
we're gonna win. We're gonna win against 11 Wonders, and our second match, I think we're playing against Accra Great Olympics. Normally speaking, it shouldn't be difficult because Olympics is the boogie side to us, so we can just it's gonna be a walk in the park. Legon Cities. Recently, I saw Baba Muhammad training with Legon Cities, and they are also trying to attract.
I think they'll improve a lot more this season.
Yeah, because if you can really recall our last match against Legon Cities, it was really tough during the first half.
Yes, second half they got tired.
That was their problem. So I think we might nip a win against Legon Cities. And let me check the next one. We go away to Berekum Chelsea. Second match.
All right, I think out of that 5 games, I think the most difficult game. We are playing Mediama in our first 5 game, right?
Let me see. The 5th game is against Legon Cities. The 4th game is against Mediama is the match day 4.
Yes, I think the difficult games there are Mediama and Berekum Chelsea.
Yeah, because it's a really tough. You know, until recently, we almost won all of our matches in Takwa, but I don't know what went wrong. You know, and nowadays they just beat us easily and they can just brag about. But anyways, Berekum Park has been one of the most difficult places to visit for Asante Kotoko. Even since the Herbert days, it's always difficult for us to play there. And I remember our first time that we won on that park, I think we had Stephen Odro and Abedi Safo and all those kind of old guys. And I remember it was really like Christmas in Kumasi at that time. We were so happy that we won at Berekum, you know.
Yes. You know, when you win in the tough ground is like something that should be called for celebration.
And they have if you have studied them really well, they always have a good team, man. The Berekum Chelsea guys.
Yeah.
And almost all the boys are from Kumasi, so they know the guys really well.
And they know how they play, yes.
Exactly.
True.
exactly. Because
no, go ahead.
Because
go ahead.
when Bekum Chelsea was about to, when they were about to establish that team, they played against the team that I used to play in Ghana, at that time, and you could see how professional, they were at that time. They were playing at the first division, the Ghana's first division, and you could see that this team is really gonna go far. They did everything professionally. They catered for their players, and even though that reflected in their. Oh yeah. You are really in Ghana. I can feel that you are really in Ghana. You are really in Ghana. So yeah, they've been really good, and they've produced some exciting players over the years. Bekum Chelsea. It's a team that I admire a little bit because when we do business with them, it doesn't go rough. Like, it goes always smooth when we do business with them. So yeah, I expect
All right,
our should be a draw.
A draw.
Our way should be a draw.
All right. The last time we played against Bekum Chelsea, you know how that game was. It was very tough. So I'm expecting this.
Yeah, you remember the MP
right.
Costa red card.